Okay, we are here in Riverton, Wyoming, and you're looking at the former Chicago and Northwestern station that was here, or still is here, but is no longer used. The tracks were pulled up probably about, from what I understand, reading and doing some further research, about 1974 they started pulling up these tracks. And they pulled back to Casper, Wyoming, and they had an agreement with the BN, the Burlington Northern, to use their tracks to get to the industries that C&NW owned. So they didn't need their tracks anymore. They're in, well, yeah, up to Casper, I guess. So I can't say exactly where they switched over to BN. It may have been in Douglas, or I'm not really sure. But anyhow, you're looking east towards Casper, Wyoming, which is quite a ways off. It's probably, I'd say maybe 150 to 200 miles east of here. And if I turn around, pan kind of slow here. You're now looking toward Lander, Wyoming, which was the westernmost terminus for the C&NW. And Landers is just down the way here a little bit, but it was the furthest station or stop. That's where the line stopped when the line came here. And when you stop and think about it, what it took for a C&NW train to get here, because I gotta tell you, it goes it goes through some pretty country, really pretty country, but it's pretty desolate. But gorgeous country, I gotta tell you. And you can sure see why they called the C&NW Cowboy Line the Cowboy Line, because it went through ranches, and I mean, it pretty much does that all the way here to Riverton. So, but at one time, they had a small yard here that served Riverton, and I'm gonna go check this billboard out here. It's got some information on, maybe hopefully about the trains. So okay, that's it. This is Riverton, Wyoming, the C&NW station at Riverton, Wyoming. It's no longer here. It's been gone now for 50 years. Okay, back for more.